Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a funny baseball bobblehead figure using ChatGPT. First, just open ChatGPT and then next just tap on menu, this one, and then go to images, and then on the style section, just search for the baseball bobblehead, this one. Just tap on it, and then next just choose the photo from your gallery, or you can also take a new selfie from your camera. And in here I will just choose a photo from my gallery, and then next just upload the photo that you want to transform, and then next just tap on done and wait for the process. And okay, like this, your photo is now transformed into a baseball bobblehead figure, and I think it's not funny, but it's so cool. The result is so cool and so incredible like this. And then next, if you like it, you can just tap on save to download it to your device. And okay, maybe that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.